In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video to Dropbox and share it. This process is straightforward and will help you easily share your videos with others. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar, type in Dropbox and hit enter. You will see a list of search results. It is essential to click on the correct link that leads to the official Dropbox website. This ensures that you are accessing a secure site and protects your information. Now that you are on the Dropbox homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Provide your email address and password associated with your Dropbox account. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a link for recovery. Once you enter your details, click the login button to access your account. This step is vital because it allows you to manage your files securely. With your Dropbox account open, look near the top of the screen for the upload button. This button is often represented by an upward arrow or a plus sign. Click on this upload button. When you do this, a menu will appear offering you options for uploading files. It is important to locate this button because it initiates the file upload process. Next, you will need to select the file you want to upload. From the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Upload, choose the option that says Files. This action prompts your computer's File Explorer to open. By selecting this option, you are indicating to Dropbox that you wish to upload a specific file from your device. Now, find the video you want to upload in the File Explorer window. Click on the video file to select it. Once it is highlighted, look for the Open button and click it. This tells Dropbox to start processing your video for upload. Selecting the correct video is crucial because it determines what will be shared with others later. After clicking Open, you will now need to wait for the upload to finish. You may see a progress bar indicating how much of the file has been uploaded. This step is essential because it confirms that your video is being transferred to Dropbox. Be patient, as larger files may take a bit longer to upload. There will be a notification once the upload is complete, providing assurance that your video is safely stored in your account. Once the upload is finished, locate the video file in your Dropbox. Hover your mouse over the video file, and you will notice a Share button appear. Click on this Share button. This action allows you to begin the process of sharing your video with others. Sharing files is a key feature of Dropbox, making it easy to collaborate or send large files without hassle. Next, a menu will pop up allowing you to change the sharing permissions. Look for the option that says Can View and make sure it is selected. After that, click on the Copy Link button. This action generates a shareable link for your video. This step is important because it controls who can access your video. You want to ensure that only the right people have the ability to view it. By following these steps, you have successfully uploaded your video to Dropbox and generated a shareable link. You can now send this link to anyone you want to share your video with. This process not only simplifies file sharing but also ensures that your content is stored securely online. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.